I'm doing a video here of my parrotfish spawning. This has been going on for about past 7-8 minutes. I don't know if you can see the eggs on the rim of the cup or not. But they're definitely spawning, but the eggs don't seem to be adhering to the cup. She's laying eggs right there now. You can see her egg tube is dropped down, fighting off the other fish. There's a lot of them sticking around the rim of the cup. I don't know if you can see that or not. And into the back of the cup. And try to get you a closer view of it. You can see the eggs laying there. She's laying eggs right now. They say their eggs are sterile, so as you can see her deposit tube there. She's laying around the inner rim, and from what I can tell, as she moves around, some of the eggs are coming, or quite a few of the eggs are coming out into the water. He went in to drop his sperm. A lot of activity in the fish in the tank as they're protecting their eggs. I don't know how good the video will be. I'll try to pull it in tighter again on it. I believe that's a female right there. She rests for a little bit and then she starts laying more eggs. And she's doing right now. And then he'll step in to try to fertilize them. I'll let this go on for about 5, 6, 7 minutes, then I'll upload the video. I'll pull back. You can see the other fish They're they're hanging out. They're hanging right around the area. The spawning pair there is really fighting them off. And this is in my 65-gallon aquarium. She's in laying eggs again. It appears to see a lot of eggs coming out every time she goes in. Just has all my fish they're in a feeding frenzy. It appears that the eggs are not adhering to the porcelain cup. A lot of them are sticking though, like at the rim of it. There's a lot of eggs there. She's laying a lot of eggs. I'll back out a little bit. And she's definitely in full spawn. The other fish are just, like I say, in a feeding frenzy. I've raised all these fish from just little babies. And now they're reproducing. Where they hatch or not, this is their second spawn. I have two mated couple in here. The other two, they probably tomorrow, because I took them out of my 125-gallon tank because I had fish down there. They were very aggressive towards those fish that were having babies down there. I have a lot of hatches down there. So I brought them up here. They must like the water. They're in here spawning. If it's anything like it was in the 125-gallon, within 2 days, the other pair will spawn also. I'm gonna go let this video run 10 minutes. We're about at 9:46, right? 9 minutes 48 seconds right now. So I wanted to share this with you for those who view my videos. I hope the video is not shaky because I have an injured arm right now. Okay, thank you for viewing. I don't know how long they're going to do this, but it's been a good while now, so the past hour. So thanks for viewing as always. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye now.